Wells offers innovative and easy to operate ventless solutions to increase revenue in any space. So why should you go ventless? Historical buildings are a great place for ventless solutions. Many jurisdictions will not allow you to go through the floors and ceilings of these historical buildings. High-rise buildings may require expensive black iron that may be charged floor by floor. Stadiums and malls may not want ductwork in open view. Lease spaces are great because you get to take the hood with you if you leave the space. There is also a tax benefit for the piece of equipment because it depreciates faster. The Wells Ventless Universal System, or the WVU models, are available in several sizes. You can get it in a 26, 48, 72, or a 96-inch unit. The Wells Ventless Hood System leads the market with the largest selection of commercial electric equipment to be placed underneath the hood. This is because we are tested and approved at a higher operating temperature to be used. Speak to your local Wells representative to learn about the best possible equipment solutions for your space. As you can see, with the largest selection of electric equipment allowed underneath the hood, a completely self-contained ANSUL system, and the ease of installation, all makes it easy to find the best solution with Wells. Please visit our website at wells-mfg.com to find all the resources and specifications on our ventless hoods, or you can call 1-800-264-7827.